Everyone, it's Kirsty here from Little Learners in Leeds, and I've got Sammy here with me today. Do you want to say hello, Sammy?
Hello.
So today we've got a little fun activity. It's a play activity that I think you'll enjoy at home, and it's making tea play. Okay, now Sammy today has got some of his friends with us who we're going to be making tea for. Do you want to introduce them, Sammy?
So this one here is Big Daddy Bolan. This is Kinder. This is Dinker, and this is Dinky.
Yeah, so the monkeys have come today for a monkey tea party with us. Okay, so we're going to have a go, and Sammy's going to be making them some tea. Now we've got some different things. Do you want to show them what you've got there, Sammy?
We've got a mug with a lid.
Teapot, darling.
Teapot.
Yeah. We've got some little play teapots and jugs that you might have.
Mug.
If you don't have a tea set that you can use, you could just use things like your jug from in the kitchen. Just stop a minute, Sam. Okay, and you can just use some plastic cups that you have around as well. Okay, we are going to use real water, so you do need things that will hold the water. Okay, and as Sammy was just pointing out there, what other things do we have to make the tea with, Sammy?
We have some lemon. Some orange.
Some fruit slices you can have.
Some herbs.
Yeah, picked a few herbs from the garden.
Of course, we need some tea bags.
Tea bags. So we've got some different types of herbal tea and fruit tea bags in there that they can play with in making the tea, and they actually make it smell really nice. Okay, so we've got a variety of jugs, cups, spoons to mix with, tea strainers. Okay, and obviously it's a wet activity, so make sure you put something down on the floor, and then off you go, Sam. Do you want to make the monkeys some tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you might...
Particularly Bolan that likes this.
Okay, or particularly Bolan, you're going to put a tea bag in for him.
Yeah, let's put a tea bag in.
Okay, can you smell it? See what kind of flavour it might be.
That's fruit.
Oh, it is a fruity one, that, isn't it? Yeah?
I think this one will probably be for Dinker.
Okay, so you mix it up. Do you want a spoon to mix with?
Yeah.
And you might notice when you've got little children that whenever you give them cups and things to play with, they quite often really enjoy playing at making tea. So this is a really nice way to get the water out and actually explore with the mixing and the pouring, which is improving those motor skills.
It's gone all fruity.
It's gone all fruity. And we can also be talking about the colour changing. What colour has the water gone now, Sammy?
Purple.
It's got a purple, pinky colour. And they're talking about this, using the senses, what
Can
it
you
smells
feel like apple juice? Is it because it is?
It is, but it's a bit like that. It's a fruit one, isn't it? Do you want to get a cup for them?
Oh,
I think you can leave that in if you want, or you can put it in the bowl. It's okay.
Look out, I've got some there.
That's okay. Do you want to pour some out now? Should we get him a cup? Which cup do you think he would like?
He'll like the mug. Okay. Wait, what about the tall mug?
Oh, that one, that's a jug, isn't it? We call that one. We'll pour a bit on. Is he going to have it out there, is he?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Let's put that on top.
That on top. Good boy. And obviously we can be using, if we put in tea bags and we use herbs in the mixtures, we can be using the tea strainers as well and exploring how they work. Okay, so that you can do some. If you pour, let me show you. If you pour for when you've got the herbs in, if you pour through this, it will let the juice through.
I think that's Bolan's drink.
Oh, well, we can put it back in, and then we can catch the herbs, look, in the tea strainer, like that.
And you can also squeeze a bit.
Yeah. Did you want to
I
put
need
some
more
more
water.
in?
I need that water.
Okay, we'll put it back in then.
I mean tea.
Okay, so I think you've got the idea of how the activity works. It's just a bit of fun really, but like I say, it is also developing lots of motor skills, and you will find that they'll play with this for a long time as well, so it's a good time filler. Okay, we're going to carry on getting these monkeys some tea, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll say bye for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.